Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Plug a good USB cable into the Wagon R's infotainment and your phone. Make sure Android Auto is updated and location plus Bluetooth are enabled on the phone. These let the head unit detect the device. Once done, unlock the phone and set USB mode to file transfer or Android Auto if prompted. This first step avoids connection errors and speeds the pairing sequence, so don't skip the updates or cable quality check. Now connect and configure. Plug in and watch both screens. The phone requests permissions and the Wagon R displays pairing prompts. You must accept contacts, messages, and media access so calls, text alerts, and music work. Then select wired or wireless Android Auto and follow on-screen steps to finalize pairing. Once paired, pick your navigation app and audio app defaults, and test steering wheel controls so tracks and voice commands operate without taking your eyes off the road. Finish by validating core functions. Start navigation, ask Google for directions, make a test call, and play a track to confirm audio routing. If Android Auto disconnects, first reboot the phone and the Wagon R's head unit. If that fails, swap the cable. Make sure firmware and apps stay current to prevent incompatibilities. And if problems persist, clear the Android Auto cache on your phone. This often resolves repeated pairing failures and gets you back on the road quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.